Hey guys, in this video, we'll show you how to block contacts on BLK. Now, the first thing I want you to do is launch BLK, open the person's profile that you want to block. So let's say I want to block this person, right? All you need to do is scroll all the way down to their profile, and you'll see three options: report, block, and back to the top. So just go ahead and click on block, and they'll ask you, well, are you really sure that you want to block this person? Remember that they'll not be able to see your profile and contact you. So if you're okay with that, just go ahead and click on block, and you would have blocked that person. Okay? And that person would be blocked. Now just remember, once you block someone, the BLK does not have any feature where you can unblock them. So that's permanent. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.